We've just acquired this face model Volkswagen Golf. It's the 1.6 diesel Tech SE nav. Lovely condition. Diamond cut alloy wheels. Low mileage car. Rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the facelift screen there. Some cruise control. It's only done 36,230 miles. We're just going to service it in MOT. It's got full service history, air conditioning, USB and aux, different driving styles on the car. Full media pack, satellite navigation, apps as well. At DJH, we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.